Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will discuss how to fix any damaged photo in above Photoshop. Open Photoshop, click File, click Open, select Photo. We will fix the damaged part in this picture. Click Rectangular Marquee Tools. I will select the part of the picture that is good. Right click mouse, select feather. Here I will select feather radius 5 depending on the quality of the picture. Click OK. Click Edit options. Select Copy. Click Edit options and select Paste. Press Ctrl+T. Right click. Select Flip Horizontal. I will move the selected part of the image to the right. Click OK. Thanks for watching.